Hello, computer scientists. You're in Project 1.1, Computing is Changing the World. We're going to scroll down to Project 1.1's worksheet area here, and you're probably watching this video. How do I make a copy of Project 1.1's worksheet for editing so I can edit it? Well, this is going to answer your question. So this is going to be your worksheet. You're going to have worksheets for each lesson. I'm going to go ahead and open that up, or project I should say. So when I open this up, here it comes into the project area. And you can see that we have a document right here. Beautiful. So now what we do is we have to move that. So we're going to go File, Make a Copy. And we're just going to go ahead and choose OK for the name of it right now because it's going to open up a different document. We want to know the difference between the one that we opened up via Moodle and the copy that we have opened up and we have saved as a copy, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and close both of those now. And if you don't have it open already, I'm going to ask you to go to your drive. And now that you have opened your drive, you're going to see a copy of Project 1.1. All right. So you probably should have already a folder for ICS. And I'm going to go ahead and just open my ICS folder. And I have another folder in here. I'm going to put my mouse over it and just pause for a second so I can see the entire name of that folder. Lesson 1, the Computing Revolution. If I open that up, I have Project 1.1, Computing is Changing the World. Yes, I know that I can go ahead and drag my files into that. And so I'm going to go along my breadcrumbs and click on My Drive again. And now it's as simple as dragging and dropping. ICS, it's in ICS now. I need to drag in my Lesson 1. And then I'm going to drag in my Project 1.1. So you want to make sure that you have saved your files accordingly, and that way you know how to get back to items. Now I'm going to ask you to simply rename that project by right-clicking on the document and choosing Rename. And I'm going to get rid of the copy of because now it's in your drive. You don't need to have that anymore. And I'm going to ask you to go to the end and add one more dash. I'm going to ask you to put your first and last name. Once again, both your first and last name here. And choose OK. Now, if I put my mouse over this, it should be saved as Project 1.1, Computing is Changing the World, with your first and last name. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and it should also be named that right here as well. Now you are ready to edit your document by putting in text, making sure once again you change your text to a red color so I can easily see where you have typed your answers. All right. If you guys have any questions, ask a neighbor. They're your best resource. If not, ask me. Have a great day.